Hello everyone, my name is Fanli Zhan, and today I'm delighted to share my presentation on the Community in Inquiry Model, or COI, and its application in a flipped learning classroom. This presentation is divided into 4 parts. First, I will introduce the basic concept of the COI model. Next, I will analyze its 3 core components and indicators. Then, I will explore how the COI model is applied in flipped learning classrooms. Finally, I will share a practical case study to demonstrate its effectiveness. This presentation has 3 learning objectives. First, to understand the 3 core components of the COI model and their role in flipped learning. Secondly, to learn how to design and apply the COI model to enhance student engagement. And third, to explore evaluation methods and opportunities for improvements. We can discover methods for evaluating and effectiveness of the community of inquiry model and flipped learning context and reflect on continuous improvement strategies. There are 3 authors of this model. The community of inquiry model was introduced by Garrison, Anderson, and Archer in 2000. It was developed as a framework for understanding online learning and is grounded in constructivist theory, which emphasizes social interaction and critical thinking in the learning process. The COI model consists of 3 core components: social presence, teaching presence, and cognitive presence. COL model is a framework that emphasizes the collaborative construction of knowledge through social interaction in online learning environments. The model consists of 3 interdependent elements: cognitive presence, social presence, and teaching presence, which together foster a rich and engaging learning community. Application in flipped classrooms. In flipped classrooms, the COI model can be applied to enhance student engagement and learning outcomes by promoting active learning and critical thinking before, during, and after class. The first is social presence. Social presence refers to the ability of learners to project themselves socially and emotionally as real people in a community of inquiry. Enhancing social interaction encourage students to participate in discussions, share personal experience, and collaborate on projects to build a supportive and interactive learning environment. Students participate in group discussions and share their perspective in online formats. The second is teaching presence. Teaching presence is the instructor's ability to design activities, guide learning, and provide feedback. It includes instructional design, facilitating discourse, and direct instruction. Teachers guide students through structured activities and provide timely feedback during classroom discussions. We can offer direct instructions through video lectures and other multimedia resources to ensure students have access to key concepts and information. The next is cognitive presence. Cognitive presence refers to the process of constructing knowledge through reflection and discussion. It includes four stages: triggering events, exploration, integration, and resolution. Students collaborate in problem-solving tasks to develop solutions and integrate knowledge. The three components of the COI model are accessed using various indicators. Social presence focuses on interaction and a sense of belonging. Teaching presence evaluates the clarity of course design and feedback. Cognitive presence measures knowledge integration and reflective tasks. These indicators provide insights into teaching effectiveness and areas for improvement. To evaluate the effectiveness of the COI model, we use the following tools. The first is social presence. We can use COI survey to evaluate interaction and a sense of belonging. Analysis of discussion posts, frequency and depth. The second one is teaching presence. We can use student feedback surveys to access instructional design and guidance. Classroom observation logs, frequency or teacher guidance and interaction. The last is cognitive presence. We can use reflection tasks and reports to evaluate knowledge integration, content analysis of discussions, quality of student questions and solutions. These tools help instructors access teaching strategies and make data-driven improvements. The Philippart learning model moves content delivery to pre-class activities, allowing classroom time to be used for practice and interaction. Students review videos and materials beforehand, engage in collaborative tasks during class, and reflect after class to consolidate learning. This model emphasizes student engagement and active participation, making it an ideal match for the COI framework. The three pillars of the COI model play a crucial role in flipped learning. Flipped learning reverses traditional teaching methods by delivering content online for students to learn at home, freeing classroom time for interactive activities. The model emphasizes student-centered learning, active engagement, and critical thinking, with the teacher acting as a facilitator rather than a lecturer. The COI model's three pillars enhance flipped learning by fostering a collaborative and reflective learning environment. For example, in a flipped classroom, students analyze case studies and engage in role-playing activities to build understanding and collaboration. There is a case reviewable energy policy. There are three presences. The first one is pre-class. In this case, students learn about reviewable energy policies through pre-class videos and quizzes. During class, they participate in group discussions and role-playing to simulate policy-making processes. After class, they write reflective reports to summarize their learning and propose improvements. This approach significantly improved student engagement and critical thinking skills. The application of COL presence is in flipped learning classroom. The first one is social presence in flipped classrooms. Enhance students' interaction and collaboration through online discussion forums and group projects, fostering a sense of community and engagement. The second one is cognitive presence in flipped classrooms. Encourage critical thinking and problem solving by providing structured online activities that guide students through inquiry process. The last one is teaching presence. Design and facilitate flipped learning experience. that include clear instructions, feedback, and support, ensuring effective learning outcomes. In summary, the COI model provides a robust framework for collaborative and meaningful learning. Its integration into flipped classrooms enhances students' engagement and fosters deeper learning. Looking ahead, the COI model can be applied to various educational contexts, such as online learning and hybrid classrooms, to meet diverse learning needs. Thank you for your listening. I hope today's presentation has provided valuable insights. Bye bye.